everyone, and welcome back. If you're new, my name is Robin, and I have some deep cleaning motivation for you guys today. I'm starting off in the laundry room. I'm getting some sheets and towels going before I head upstairs to start in on the cleaning. It's already after lunch. I've had a pretty busy morning, taking Peyton to his work program, getting some editing done, and a few errands. So now that the afternoon is upon me, I'm ready to get going. This past week, I have been starting my mornings a little bit differently, so I wanted to share with you guys what I'm doing. Recently, I was contacted by Teamy Tea Blends, and they have a 30-day detox program that they asked me to review. Teamy Tea is GMO, gluten, dairy, and sugar-free, and if you guys are on Instagram, you've probably seen it advertised. I've never tried a detox program before, but I was intrigued by Teamy Blends because it's a natural way to rid your body of that exhausted, sluggish feeling that you get when you're bloated. It's supposed to cleanse and reset your system to help you feel refreshed. There are just 2 simple steps to follow. You drink your Teamy Skinny Tea every morning to feel energetic all day, and then you drink the Teamy Colon Tea every other night before bed to target the stored waste in the digestive system. Also included is the detox calendar to help you stay on track. The Skinny Tea is a loose leaf tea, and so they sent me their tea tumbler to brew it in. And I love this tumbler. Not only does it come with a strainer, it also comes with a top that is sealable and great to use on the go. I really enjoy using this tumbler. It comes in a wide variety of different colors, and I chose the baby blue. But I know this is something that I'm going to continue to be able to use even after I finish the detox. I have only been on the program for a week, but already I noticed a reduction in my bloating and also a little bit of an increase in my energy level. So I'll be checking back with you guys a little bit later on to let you know how it's going on Instagram. From now until the end of July, you can use my link in the description box below and the code FLOUR25 to receive 25% off any purchase from Teamy Tea. I'm starting the cleaning today in Peyton's room, and he does a really great job of keeping his room picked up and straight, and he does his cleaning on a weekly basis. But every once in a while, usually every 8 weeks or so, I do sort of a deep cleaning or zone cleaning in his room. I always start from the top down, and so I'm dusting the crown molding, and I'll be doing the fan and the lights, and I'm using my eCloth extendable duster, which makes this job so quick and easy. It's easy to detach the head of the extendable duster to do things like the blinds, and if you guys are interested in giving eCloth a try, I have a link in the description box below. doing a zone clean or a deep clean, I also try to pay attention to the doors, dusting and even wiping them down if necessary. Not long ago, we did a pretty significant decluttering of Peyton's room, especially his closet. And so I'll have that video in the cards above if you guys are interested in seeing that. But the closet is an area where I don't often think to dust, so I try to include that into a deep cleaning or zone cleaning as well. To prepare for dusting the baseboards and for vacuuming, I always pick up everything off the floor onto the bed. This is something that my mom always did, and it really does make vacuuming so much easier. Today I'm using our central vacuum, and it is by the brand Beam, which is a division of Electrolux. I like using this upstairs, and this is what Peyton mostly uses to clean upstairs as well. It's just so easy to carry it up. It's just a hose that you can attach to an outlet in the wall, so you don't have to carry up a heavy vacuuming unit. If you guys have been watching my channel for long, you will know how much Austin loves the vacuum, and so as soon as I get that out, he usually comes on the scene. When they built our house and installed this vacuuming unit, they did a great job of making sure that I can reach every section of the house. So when I was having some trouble in this corner, I realized that there was a knot in the hose, which is easily untangled, so I can continue. I'm also going to be cleaning Peyton's bathroom today, so while I have the vacuum in here, I'm going to quickly do the floors. For cleaning the toilets, I'm using the Method Anti-Bac Toilet Cleaner and also the Method All-Purpose Cleaning Disposable Wipes. To clean both the mirror and the vanity, I'm using my E-Cloth microfiber cloth. This one is actually called the kitchen cloth. I have a few of them, so once they're clean, I can use them either in the kitchen or the bathroom. And they do trap all of the bacteria, so you don't have to worry about transferring it from one surface to another. Follow up with the window polishing cloth by E-Cloth to give the mirrors and the fixtures a streak-free shine. I'm using the Grove Collaborative Tub and Tile Cleaner in Peyton's shower and tub today. This cleaner is my favorite, and it comes in a concentrate which you mix with water, and I have it mixed in their glass spray bottle that has a silicone sleeve. And it smells like orange and rosemary, and the scents are all natural. They just come from essential oils. I have a referral link for you guys to the Grove Collaborative in the description box. That is where I buy all of my cleaning supplies, my laundry supplies. I love their company because they sell a lot of natural products for your home, also for personal care, and I would love for you guys to give them a try. To finish off, I'm just wiping everything down with an e-cloth. Patrick and I use an e-cloth in our shower every day to clean the shower with just water. Peyton uses his on a weekly basis, but I like to use the tub and tile cleaner when I'm doing a deep clean in here because moms have a different idea of clean than boys do sometimes, if you know what I mean. To mop the floors, I'm using my e-cloth deep cleaning mop pad, and all I need is water to do this. And it's just like the other microfiber cloths. They pick up any bacteria and dirt and do not transfer them from one surface to another. Now that Peyton's bedroom and bathroom are all complete and clean, I can head on to the next bathroom upstairs, which is Kyle's. Kyle's away at college, his shower and tub is not used all that often, so I'm just using the e-cloth to clean it. I clean this on a regular basis just to keep any buildup from happening. We do have guests using this bathroom occasionally, but the e-cloth does a great job, and so I don't need to use any product, just water. The last thing I plan to do today is to vacuum all of the upstairs floors and down the stairs. Austin is in the middle of a seasonal shedding episode right now, and I have a hard time keeping on top of all of his fur that collects just about everywhere. And so I'm trying to get all of the little nooks and crannies that I can in between a deep clean up here just to keep on top of things. So that is the end of my cleaning for today. I hope you guys got some great motivation and inspiration to clean some areas in your home. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber, and subscribing is absolutely free. And if you activate the bell icon, you'll be notified each time I upload a new video so you don't miss out on anything. I appreciate you guys' support so much, and I love the way our channel's been growing. So thank you for everything, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. I'll see you in the next video.